Want to make your photos more creative and personal? You can add text like a favorite quote or message directly on your photos using Gallery app on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Here's how to do it. Open Gallery app. Pick the photo you want to add text to. Tap the pencil icon at the bottom to edit. Tap the decoration icon. Next, tap text. Type your quote or message. Now you can make your text look just right. Use the slider on the left to change the size. Slide up for the bigger text. Choose text alignment, left, center, or right. Pick a font style you like. Change the font color to match your photo. And select a background style for your text. Tap anywhere outside the text. If needed, you can move the text to place it on the desired spot by dragging and dropping the text box. When you are happy with your text, tap Save to save the change. Given to the function, you can use this feature to add quotes or messages to photos to help you share feelings, inspire friends, or make your photos more fun. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.